Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to swap Solana on Trust Wallet. So let's start this video. Open your Trust Wallet application, then enter your password. After you have done that, you have to scroll down. Now as you can see, there is an option of Solana. Just click on this. If you don't have that option Solana on the home page, you can simply type it over here. So once you type it, click on it Solana. Now click on swap option. Click on swap. Now just change to section. So for example, I want to swap Solana to USDT. So I will search over here USDT. So after selecting USDT, you have to enter the amount of Solana. So once you have done that, you have to click on preview, and after that the confirmation, and after that the confirmation option. So once you do that, you will be successfully swapping Solana to any other currency you want. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe this channel.